Hello! Are you looking for easy and quick ways to send emails directly from Google Sheets? Then this video will make an easy way for you to learn how to do it. So let's get started. There are two ways to send email from Google Sheets. You can either use a Google provided library or use a third-party email service provider like MailChimp. Google provides two app script libraries, Mail app and Gmail app, that make it very easy to send emails from Sheets. These libraries will work great for personal or work-related use cases where you want to send a small number of emails. We will be using the Mail app library. Sending email using the Mail app library. First, create a new Google Sheet, then open the script editor by selecting Tools, Script Editor. Rename the function from My Function to Send Email. The simplest way to send an email is by calling the Mail app.sendEmail method with the recipient, subject, and body of the email. To send the email, you need to run the code. You can do that by clicking the play button. When you run the code, you'll be asked to authorize it. Select Review Permissions to continue. Select the Google account that you want to authorize. Google will now display the permissions that the script needs in order to run. The only permission listed is the ability to send emails. This is exactly what you want the script to do. So select Allow to authorize your script to send emails on your behalf. Once you authorize the script, it will run and you should receive the email in your inbox. Use case: send emails from every row in a Google Sheet. You have a list of email addresses in a sheet and you want to send an email to each person on this list. Create a new Google Sheet. Rename the sheet from Sheet 1 to Emails. Enter a header for the column that will contain email addresses. I entered email addresses. Enter the email addresses of users you want to email. Secondly, create a new sheet called Templates. Enter the email subject and body in the sheet. Enter the subject in cell A2 and the body in cell A5. First, open the script editor. Then, replace the function My Function with the code below. Just explaining a bit of code here. The getData function will return a two-dimensional array of values, namely the row and then column. So we use it to fetch the data of email addresses, subject, and body text. The shift function is used here to exclude the header row from the email addresses sheet, and the code repeats for the other rows onwards and send emails to all the rows. To run your script, choose the Send Emails function from the drop-down menu and click the play icon. As I was the recipient myself, I will show you my email inbox that I have received the email.